Hey everybody, and welcome back to Farmboy's Garage. And today we're going to finish up our light installation by installing this Rugged Ridge pillar switch pod. It's going to mount on the driver's side A pillar. So let's go in here and see if we can get this thing mounted. Alright, so the first thing we got to do is remove the sun visor, and it's going to be held in with two T20 screws. Pop that out of the way. Right, the next thing we got to do is take out a Phillips head screw that's located in this hole right here. Alright, now this panel here has got a speaker right up here. I know y'all probably can't see it, so we got to be real careful when we remove this panel that we don't damage the speaker. Alright, so we got a little clip right here that's coming out of the roll bar, and it probably will pull out. That did. This is one of them Dodge things that to me was just stupid. The whole design of that little clip there. It's just a little bit ridiculous. So I think we can get back behind here with the cat's claw. Pop it free. There it goes. Alright, so this is the piece you're going to be taking out, and you can see that this center is supposed to unscrew, but most times it don't. So we'll leave that out and we'll pop it back in. I don't know why they couldn't just use push pins. Alright, so now we can get to our wire for the speaker here. And there's a clip for it right here. You should be able to just unplug it and remove this piece out of the way. This other piece, I believe, is just going to be held in with clips, and I believe we'll be able to just pop it out. So it's just got, these push pins, and so they'll pop right out. All right, so our next step is going to be to cut one of these holes out, and I believe it's going to go in there like this. So this will be the bottom and this will be the top. So I think I'm going to start on the, I don't know, I might start on the bottom right here, I think. Now ideally, if you got an X-Acto knife or a model knife, you could probably just trace around this edge and just keep doodling it, and it'll probably cut right on through this plastic. I'm going to just drill me a big hole right here in the middle. It ain't very thick. Of course, this is going to be thicker than the outside. I'm just going to get, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my step bit. And just get progressively bigger. And try not to go all the way past this little mark right here. Right, so I'm right on the mark there. I'm probably going to be a little bit closer over here. Okay, so got these two holes drilled. That's going to get us almost to the edge. I believe we can just take this sharp razor blade and try not to cut ourselves. Just kind of whittle in a little bit. This plastic in it, so it ain't as easy to cut as it looks. Pretty thick up here in the middle. I got that center out. Now I'm going to take my time off camera, and I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of this out, and I'll bring you back. Alright, so I got this cut out, and I test fitted my switch. The switch fits. I'm not sure which direction I'm going to put the switch in yet, so I'm going to leave it out for now. We're ready to install this and get the wires run up through here. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is get this basically back into position here. We've got a point here that's got to go in this hole. This part's going to go in this hole. This part going into this hole. So right now what we need to do is run this switch up through here like this and through this hole. I'm going to be cutting this switch out and using the other switch. Well, that leaves a lot to be desired. You can see the bottom of this factory piece. It's got all these little cutouts. It actually hides a bunch of open space right here in the bottom. So we can see on this part here, we're going to have a big opening down here that this would normally be covered up. So, yep, but the switch is going to be right there. It's kind of neat. See how this other part goes together up here. We're going to go ahead and get the rest of this back together and bring it back.